uniting mind and body for career success. In my journey towards achieving my career aspirations, I've come to realize the integral role played by the harmonious synergy of my mind and body. This unity is the cornerstone of my focus as I navigate through new and ambitious career goals. With a deep-seated confidence in my strength and abilities, I am poised to scale new heights and attain unprecedented levels of professional success. This confidence stems not just from an abstract belief in myself, but from a concrete recognition of the skills and talents I possess, which are critical in transforming my career objectives into tangible realities. My approach to reaching these goals is multifaceted. I acknowledge the importance of networking as a tool to expedite my journey, utilizing my quick-thinking mind and adaptable persona to thrive in diverse situations. This adaptability is also reflected in how I utilize available resources, taking calculated risks that align with my career trajectory and seizing emerging opportunities. Central to this process is my ability to clearly envision my career path. This clarity allows me to set precise goals, a skill I consider a fundamental part of my professional repertoire. As I advance, I am constantly reminded of the powerful interplay between my mental and physical states and their collective impact on my career progression. By maximizing the potential of both, I am steadfastly navigating towards the realization of my professional dreams. As I reflect on this journey, I ponder on how to ensure that this mind-body synchrony continues to flourish, aiding in the fulfillment of my career ambitions. I contemplate the best ways to garner support from others, recognizing that a collective effort often paves a smoother path. Additionally, I consider strategies to accelerate the realization of my goals, understanding that efficiency and effectiveness are key in today's dynamic professional landscape. How can I make sure my mind and body work in sync to make my career goals come true? How can I get the support of others as I work toward my career goals? What can I do to see my goals become reality more quickly?